DroidFest 2026 is happening at Sister Nivedita University, organized by the Kotlin User Group Kolkata in collaboration with GDG on campus SNU. Let's step inside and experience the session firsthand.
Today my talk was about running local AI models in mobile devices. So AI is in trend and it is really very useful. But the problem is it requires internet and it has to send your data to their servers. So for some use cases, local AI that runs completely on your device makes sense. So I created a very simple application that students can use in their life. They're traveling or they're somewhere where network is not available. They have whole lead code in their pocket. They can search any question, they can prepare, they can learn. So I think it's a good way. They can clone the repository and start learning how to infer local AI models in their application.
It helps students learn new technologies, learn what's going on in the market. As we all know that in colleges, syllabus don't update as fast as technology industry moves, right? So these events help students keep update and keep updating themselves and learn new things and be ready for the market.
Kotlin Kolkata User Group is the biggest Android community that we have in Kolkata, and it's really a pleasure to collaborate with them. We are really thankful to them that they choose us as a venue, like as a Sister Nivedita University GDG chapter lead. It's always a pleasure to have these events in our college.
This event brings students and developers together to learn, share ideas and explore new possibilities in technology. With camera person Digvijay, this is Shayuni directly reporting from SNU Chronicle.